Hello, I'm going to review Figma AI. So Figma AI integrates advanced generative tools into Figma platform, enabling designers to automate tasks, generate content, and accelerate prototyping through AI-driven features like first draft, visual search, and make designs. Pros: enhances productivity by automating repetitive tasks, offers intuitive AI-powered search and content generation, and facilitates rapid prototyping with adapted layouts across devices. Cons: may have a learning curve for new users. Some features are in beta with potential limitations, and there could be concerns about over-reliance on AI for design decisions. So in conclusion, Figma AI is a powerful tool for designers seeking to streamline workflows and enhance creativity, though users should be mindful of its involving features and potential learning curve.